Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a pleasure having you guys here. Today we're going to be doing a follow-up from our yesterday's market analysis where we talked about the DXY, the EURUSD, and the GBPUSD. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions whatsoever, use the comment section below. Now, if you watch yesterday's video, I'll try and put the link also for you to go over it. If you were here and you watched yesterday's video, you notice that price was still at this area. This is the 4 hours time frame for the USD index, the DXY. Price was still at this area, and we said that we're expecting a breakout from these highs over here. And then where would price be going to? Price should be going to this area here. If you look very well, we have it as here, resistance, support, 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 support. So we should have price coming back to this level, right? Or even this level. But that simply means where price is now, right? We should be expecting a pullback, or it could push higher to this point and pull back. Either of these two. So this is what I'm looking out for trading opportunities, because the purpose of these videos is for us to understand the story of price and then see how we can take advantage of it. Once again, this is 4 hours time frame. Notice I keep on stating the time frame because the time frame matters a lot. So we're either looking for a sell over here or sell over here. We just need that trigger. We need more information to tell us whether it's going to sell from here or sell from here. Anything can happen. Who knows? It could even push higher. Now, based on we saying it was going to push higher from this point yesterday, what does that mean for the EURUSD? It simply means, as an example, for the EURUSD, it means that it's going to be going down, because once the what's the name? What's the DXY? Sorry. Once the DXY is appreciating, you can expect the EURUSD to depreciate. And this was the case for the EURUSD, as you can see. Now, as it is depreciating in this manner, right, we're opportune to get our entry on this EURUSD short selling, and then we're also opportune to get our entry on the GBPUSD, because we talked about these two specifically yesterday. I can see this guy, the cable GBPUSD, is still falling nicely. Where do we expect to find trouble? We can find trouble in this area where it is, right? Or you can as well get to this lows over here. So from what we have over here on this cable, the GBPUSD, where it is a good place to either take your profit, as over here, price could decide to do something. Price could decide to bounce from here, or it could drop further down and then bounce from here. That is why, if you remember, we're keeping a close eye on the DXY, on the USD index. And speaking of the USD index, let's take a look at news. You notice that today, Wednesday, the 8th of May, Wednesday, we have what? We have absolutely no high impact news today. And it's a Wednesday, it's the middle of the week. Now, this doesn't mean that price might not still move accordingly. It might be slow or whatever the case might be. We're expecting tomorrow, however, Thursday, for high impact news for the dollar. As you can see over here, we'll also have some good volatility. I'm not even talking about the pounds, right? Because if you are trading anything that has to do with pounds, you need to be careful tomorrow. I already have a pounds USD trade ongoing now. I'm going to show you the pounds USD trade ongoing that I have. And I'm just paying attention because what I want to do now is strictly management. I have entered the trade. I've been able to move my stop loss to a little bit of profit, and that's what we have right in front of us. Now, what you have here is my trade management EA. I use this to set my stop loss, take profit, my break even, trailing stop, and then you have your partial close and so on that I make use of. And this helps my trading to be stress-free. I don't have to be in front of my system. So you can see we got a sell over here. Stop loss is already over here. We're waiting for price to get back to this point here. And then we could look for some reaction here, either here or it breaks further down. This could easily be our TP1. and then TP2 over here. So this is what we have over here for the GBP USD, for the pound USD. Now, looking at this same trade that we took for also the Euro USD, this is what we have over here. You can see we got our entry here, and then we are already at break even. We made adjustments, especially when price got to these highs here, which happens to be resistance, resistance, resistance. Price is here. I can as well take out my full take profit one here. I'm waiting to see the reaction. Don't forget, today is a pretty slow day. It might bounce up a bit before maybe dropping, or it might even push higher and knock me out for break even plus. I'm not bothered. It's the entry that I've been able to get and then manage it appropriately, which I am happy with. And you could as well slice from here and go over to TP2. So I'm paying attention to this. Don't forget, back to the DXY, back to the USD index. I'm watching to see what happens on that DXY 24 hours time frame that I showed you. So based on that reaction, it will help me for these reactions for Euro USD and also for my pounds USD. So let's see how that goes. And please try to always ensure that you watch the videos when we drop them that same day. That's why I always say at the beginning, at the end, try to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Also give the video a thumbs up if it's helpful in any way, because trust me, we are doing analysis. For you to make money, it is strictly based on analysis. And that analysis is how you're going to enter and then exit the market appropriately. So if you look very well, we've gotten some nice entries on Euro USD and Pound USD. How many good trades do you need in a week? I'll tell you 1 to 3. How many good trades do you need in a month? I would also tell you 1 to 3. You don't need too many trades. You don't need to be looking at too many instruments. It only leads to confusion or analysis paralysis and the rest. So treat it like a business. Take it one step at a time. If you are struggling, you can slow down and then probably start again from the beginning. And once again, if you have any questions whatsoever, use the comment section and let's see how we can help you out. Okay, so I'm going to be rounding up this video now. I don't want to make it too lengthy. Round it up now. And if you have any questions whatsoever, reach out. Don't forget, we already told you what we're expecting based on the DXY for today, meaning that where it is now, there is the possibility of it selling or pushing higher to this our rectangle here, which also happens to be a key area here. If you look properly, happens to be a key area here as well, where we have a sort of support, resistance, and then here as resistance as well. So this is also a flip zone area. This is also an important area as well. So let's see how it goes. And that is my bias going into the market today, right? Trade safely, guys. Protect your accounts accordingly. Make sure you use stop loss. Make sure you calculate your volume lot size accordingly based on your account balance. Thank you, guys. Enjoy the rest of the day and goodbye for now. Cheers.